This is Dr. Mars, and I'm happy to greet you from the offices of the Dental Care Group because we're happy to announce, if you haven't heard already, that we're reopening this Monday, May 11th. This is the last time you're going to see me without a mask because from now on, masks are required at all time in all our facilities by our healthcare providers and by you, the patients, when you're not being treated. You're going to see a lot of differences when you walk into our office. In our treatment areas, there's no longer any magazines, no pictures on the wall. Our chairs will be covered differently. We're using different sterilization products, the state-of-the-art sterilization products, which has now been raised the bar on sterilization and sanitation in the dental office. And I do have to remind you, because we know you have a lot of concerns coming in here, the dental office is one of the most sanitized areas you go into on a regular basis. Nowhere else do they wipe a chair down when you get up. Nowhere else do they throw everything out that they possibly can, or they autoclave it. So before this all started, our sanitized level was way up here. Now the bar's been raised even higher. Let me tell you about a couple of the other things we'll be doing. You should have received a COVID-19 screening over the telephone before you arrived at the office. Once you arrive to the office, outside of the office, you will once again receive the same COVID-19 screening questions. After those questions are answered properly, you will then receive a COVID-19 screening. Your temperature will be taken with no contact. A pulse oximeter, after the patient's finger has been completely alcoholed and clean, will be used to measure your oxygen saturation level, and only if you pass that screening will you then be permitted into the office. You will not even touch the doors when you arrive to our facility. It will be open for you from one of our team members, and you will be escorted into the office, where the first thing you will do is wash your hands. You will notice as soon as you enter our office, our reception area is no longer in use. If we're not quite ready for you, we will take your phone number and we will notify you as soon as the chair is ready for you to come in. So you do not wait in our facility until it is time for you to be seated in the chair. We will encourage you to wait in your cars due to the possible hot weather or even possible rainy weather. As we mentioned, every patient upon entering the office will be required to wear a face mask at all times except when they're being treated, and will be required to wash their hands as soon as they arrive at the office. It is worth noting that our team members obviously will be following similar protocol and will be constantly washing their hands, changing their gloves, and doing everything to protect you, our patients. So the last thing you're going to notice is the way we're dressed. This is to protect us and to protect you, the patients. You will be wearing your face mask right until it's time for you to be treated. Right before it's time for you to be treated, after we glove up and we're ready to go, we'll simply ask you to lower your mask, and then it will be time to work. The purpose of this video is to let you know that under all this garb, we're still the same people. We're the same people that have taken care of you for decades now in the Aventura and Pembroke Pines communities. We can't wait to see you. We just want to let you know the extra steps we're taking for your safety and how serious we take this situation right now. We also take how serious it is. Something that's never changed is your oral health. It's very important during this time to maintain your oral health and not let things go. We know there's a lot of fear from a lot of our patients, but we want you to overcome that fear and now know it's time to come back, and we're here for you when you're ready. Can't wait to see you.